You may lose your eyelashes for many reasons, from burns and chemotherapy to accidental cut or pulling out. If you are worried and looking for the answer of the question, do eyelashes grow back? The answer is, it may take a while, but the eyelashes usually grow back. In this video, we are going to tell you why eyelashes fall out as well as how to help them grow back faster. Keep watching this video till end. Let's start quickly. Is it natural for eyelashes to fall out? It's natural to wonder if they will ever grow back. But just like hair on your head, eyelashes grow, fall out and regrow again in a natural cycle. Why do eyelashes fall out? If you wear mascara and your eyelashes fall out excessively, you may be allergic to the product. Or maybe you are applying the mascara too roughly. Excessive eyelash loss can also be a sign of underlying medical condition. These can include alopecia areata, scleroderma, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, and lupus. Extreme eyelash loss can also be caused by inflammation of the eyelids. You may also experience temporary eyelash loss if you are undergoing chemotherapy. If there isn't a root cause for your eyelash loss and you wish to speed up eyelashes growth, there are several medically proven ways to do this. How can I speed up regrowth? You can speed up eyelash regrowth in several ways. Eat a healthy diet. Good nutrition supports eyelash growth as well as overall health. There are some nutrients that may help eyelashes to regrow faster. Protein. Your hair is comprised largely of protein, so a diet high in this building block is vital. Protein provides the body with amino acids which are needed to produce keratin. Keratin can help eyelashes to remain healthy and strong. Biotin. Biotin also supports keratin production. It's found in many foods including nuts, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, onions, and whole grains. Fruits and vegetables containing vitamin A and C. These fruits and vegetables help encourage eyelash growth by supporting cell and collagen production. Options include dark orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, berries, and avocados. Niacin. Niacin or vitamin B3 helps improve blood flow to hair follicles, stimulating growth. Niacin is found in chicken, fish, beef, peanuts, green peas, and avocados. Iron. A diet lacking in iron can cause many eyelashes to stop growth and fall out. Eating foods rich in iron may help prevent this. These include dark leafy greens such as spinach, dried fruits, poultry, seafood, beans, and iron-fortified cereals. Take multivitamins. You can supplement your diet with a multivitamin to ensure you are getting essential nutrients. Any high-quality multivitamin should work. Make sure the one you choose provides 100% of the recommended daily intake. Use over-the-counter lash conditioning treatments. You can find a range of eyelash growth serums and conditioning gels. These can be used alone or worn under makeup. Some types of mascara contain conditioners such as lipid or peptide complexes, which may help promote lash growth. This was all for now. Please share your eyelashes fallout and regrowth experience with us. We love to read questions and suggestions in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and updates. Support us with super thanks. Follow us at social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.